Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how you can invest your free 3 million naira so you can be earning monthly for the next 3 years. So if you have an idle money that is just in the bank, instead of just keeping it in the bank and the interest rates are not so much, I want to show you one way you can actually push this money into, which can make you good amount of money. So I'm going to talk about the FGN savings bond, the Federal Government of Nigeria savings bond. It is actually a secured, low risk investment. If you're looking at having an investment that preserves your capital, meaning nothing would happen to your capital, and you also want to earn on that particular investment, then you should be looking at the Federal Government of Nigeria Savings Bond because it is a low risk investment and it is issued every month by the DMO. DMO is the Debt Management Office in Nigeria. And why I love this is that it features an affordable minimum investment of 5,000 naira. So if you have just 5,000 naira as a salary earner, as a small business owner, as a student, you can literally start investing in this particular investment that will give you a peace of mind. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't like risky investments, you don't want to hear stories that touch the heart, you can literally look into this type of investment. And usually your money will be tied for 2 to 3 years tenure. So you get to choose whether you would put it for 2 years or for 3 years, and you can always rotate it after the tenure is over. And they pay quarterly tax-free interest payout. This is one of the juicy benefits that comes with it, the fact that it is tax-free. If you're investing your money in treasury bills, there is a 10% withholding tax on your interest, your earnings. If you're investing the same even on mutual fund, except you're auto reinvesting, then you will not have that. Even in your stocks, you have all those commissions and taxes that you have to pay. When you're earning your dividends, there is a 10% withholding tax. But in this one, it is a tax-free interest payout. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end. Like this video, drop a comment. Let me know if you've started or if it's something you are interested in or you really enjoyed it or this is not one of the investments you have, because it's okay. There are people who are doing just one type of investment and they are killing it. They are making a lot of money. So drop me a comment. Let me know if you have any of them. If you have this type of investment, then please do not forget to subscribe, because here I teach you how to make your money work for you. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like this video because it helps YouTube to show this video to more people. And of course, thank you for doing that and always coming back to watch our videos. So this video is purely for educational purposes. Do more research, be clear about your goals and the things you want to expect, and have a proper plan. Strategy is what makes you make money when you are looking into your finances. Not just knowing. Knowing is one thing, but the plan, the strategy behind what you know is the game changer. So keep that in mind. So you have 3 million naira lying in the bank. You are not doing anything with it. In fact, maybe it's something you want to use in the next 2 years or 3 years, but you just feel like, let me keep it in the bank, it's safe there. Let me give you a big and beautiful option that you can push in this money. 3 million naira every month, you get 35,000 naira for the next 3 years. All right, so I'm going to break it down the way you're going to understand it, and you will literally learn a lot from this particular video. It's not going to be a long one. So now, one thing about FG savings bond is that the unit price is 1,000 naira per unit. So if you're coming with 100,000 naira divided by 1,000 naira, you will get the number of unit shares. And the minimum you can start with every month is 5,000. I love the fact that it is 5,000 naira. So there won't be any need for you to say, I can't do this, it is very expensive. No, because if you're going to invest in like US stocks, by the time you convert your money from naira to dollars, you'll start crying. But you see this one, that 5K, you can literally be doing it little by little, especially if you're a student. This will really be nice if you're a student. So even if you don't have that money in bulk, you can actually start. And then it has a maximum of 50 million naira. So there's a cap. So that one person will not go and buy up everything. So the highest you can do as an individual is 50 million naira, which I really love, by the way. So as a student, this will really favor you. You are still in your 20s. You can literally start building your wealth from this angle. I really love it. And I'm going to tell you another thing I love about it. It has the 2 to 3 years maturity period, so you get to choose. The longer year has higher percentage returns. Before now, there was a time FG savings bond was as high as 17%, 17.5, but currently it's around 14%. Okay, so we just ended the month of July. We are just going to get into August, and in the next few days, the new subscription is going to be out. And of course, like I said, there's a fixed rate that is announced monthly. So you may get 14%. Another month will come, you see 13.5 or 13.8 or 15.1. So every month comes with its own. And whatever you sign up with for that month, that's what it sticks with. And these are paid directly to your bank account every 3 months, right? And is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. So this is why many people love this. And another good thing about this is that you can literally use this to take loan, because if you have your money in FG savings bond, you can use it more like a loan collateral to be able to access loan. So that is another thing that makes it very, very attractive. So if you can start doing it little by little. Now, because they pay every quarter, so you have to arrange your money in such a way that if you want to be earning money every month, you have to split that money into 3. So like I said, the 2 to 3 years tenure is currently between 13 to 14%, 13 for 2 years, 14% for 3 years. So in this breakdown, assuming that you are putting your 3 million in the FG savings bond for 3 years, so that when that 3 years is over, you're going to get a lot of opportunities and the money will really grow beyond your expectation. So we're just going to get into August in the next few hours, right? So first of all, you split the money into 3. 1 million goes in for August, then you keep the other 2 million. In September, you go in for another coupon. Then in October, you go in for the last batch of the money, so that in November you earn the one for August, in December you earn the one from September, and then in January you earn the one for that you did in October, and then it continues like that for the next 3 years. So each of them they are going to take turns of months until 3 years time. And one thing I want to tell you that you should really understand is that if you get paid, when you get paid, you do not spend that money, because I've seen many people who are just enjoying it as free money. Some people are making up to 200,000 in a month and they're using it to solve their personal issues. I'm not against it, but I feel like if you really want to grow this, you can restart reinvesting that 200,000 for those that get really high amount of money. But even with this, your 35,000 naira, reinvest it into the next month, add it so that in subsequent months, your payout will start increasing. So assuming that every month they pay you 35,000, you put the 35 into the next month, or even the month you get paid, the following month that follows it, you just subscribe to another one with the 35,000. In coming months, you will see that 35,000 naira will no longer be how much you'll be earning. At some point, you're going to be earning something within 40,000, moving to 50,000, and then gradually you get into 60,000 with reinvestments, because what you do with the money you earn is very important. That's why I'm actually stressing it. So like I said, the benefits, one of the benefits I want to point out, there are actually two, but I decided to talk about one, is the tax-free returns. The fact that when this money is coming into you, there is no tax on it. So it is free from personal income and company income taxes. So you can see why many people are clamoring for it. So if it suits into your financial plan and strategy, you can take this money that is lying, in the bank. Maybe you get highest 5% from bank and all of that. But if you put it into this one, your money is going to make a lot of money. Then after 3 years, you get your 3 million back and you can start that process again. So you start getting it 1 million, 1 million, 1 million in 3 consecutive months, the same way you distributed it 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. So that is one beautiful thing about it. So I hope today you enjoy this particular lesson, and it is a strategy you can really use to grow your money, because like I said, from earning that 35,000 naira, you can literally start earning up to 50,000 naira if you learn the exact strategy to plow it back. So no matter what, since it's an investment, put yourself in such a situation whereby you can handle your other expenses from your salary or your business income, and you focus on reinvestment. Now, even if you do not want to invest it in the FG savings bond, you cannot decide to even invest it in the Nigerian stock market, or use it to buy mutual funds, or do some other things. That is how you move from one module of investment to another module, and both of them will be paying you in both ways. Now imagine that every 35,000 naira you make, you are pushing it into mutual fund. And I'm going to talk about mutual fund tomorrow. And that mutual fund is giving you about 25 to 50% in a year. It means that if in a year you're able to put in up to 500,000, you'll be able to get that same amount, half of it, depending on the returns, and of course depending how you put in your money. Because if the money comes in as bulk, maybe you put in 500,000 and the fund returns 50%, you would make 250,000, right? But if the money is coming as 35, 50, 40, of course by the time the year is ending, you may not get up to 250,000, but you'll get something very reasonable, close to that figure. So those are the things you need to know. Like I always say, knowing is one thing, but the strategy is another thing. So if you really want to have a personal one-on-one with me, where we get to break down your goals, what you're currently doing, and how to rearrange your activity, you can book off a one-on-one session with me, and we can sit and look at your portfolio for 2 hours, and I can help you, guide you on the proper things you should be doing. The link for that is in the description. Click on it and you can reach out to me for your one-on-one consultation and get your finances rebalanced and get your plans straightforward to align with your personal lifestyle and your plans in life. It is very important. Don't just invest because people are saying, oh, this is good, this is safe. Invest because it aligns with your goals in life. And I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. So I'm going to talk about the mutual fund and how you can literally use this mutual fund to also make a lot of money. So see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.